take that out. I put these in there before I take that off. I had to take off this in order for this to loosen up. Once you take off that, and then you can take off that. Go like that. Take off that emergency or parking brake clip. Raise that spring up to release that parking brake. So. That's attention how these go. So that. Okay, take off this one from there. Put that so anyways, once you get it like that, the vice helps too. Clean that, move that, put that in there, put that in there. That's how you do it. What's that supposed to look? Like so. Like so. Okay, that's there. Once you got that on, start hooking that up. Okay, make sure that's in there. Like so. Lens isn't the greatest, is it? Gotta hook that up. There we go. Better camera now. There we go. Make sure that fork or whatever you call it. Make sure that little fork going across, going into the metal slot is the right side. I gotta hook that hook into that hole. Now, once you got it like that, pull it over, pry it over, then knock it in. That's where that goes into, straight across in that hole.